Hello everyone, welcome to today's UNIFONS Chinese Daily Word class. Today I'm going to teach you how to make phrase by using the word of 爸. So as last episode, our lecture already teach you how to understand this phrase, this word. There will be two phrases that I'm going to teach you today. So the first will be 爸爸 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 means father. It's quite common words for everyone, right? The second word actually had the same meaning with 爸爸. It's more casual, which is 老爸 老爸. Thank you for watching this video. So for next class, Wenxiao is going to teach you how to make phrase by using the word and the phrase. Thank you. See you.